Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is the electric units, electric oven range. We're having 6 burners on the top and the 1 oven at the bottoms. You can see the knobs all crossing the units and have an adjuster set for the timers and the temperatures. So let's take a look at the oversized measurements first. The unit's about like a 36 inches wide and the 33.5 inches deep. For the overall height, about like a 57.5 inches tall. For these burners, they're having 2 sizes on it. The larger one will be 9 inches diameters, and the smaller will be 7.5 inches diameters. So when we're looking down the units, you can put hard ovens. The door will be opened. And for the inner side, they are about like a 26 inches wide. And the overall depth about like a 25 inches deep. And the height of the unit is about like a 14 inches tall. So as we can see, they have 2 shelvings inside of the units. They are adjustable, so you can pick either using 1 or 2 together and change the dimensions. And we're having the electric connection wires from the units. This one is supported by the 220 powers, and you need to find a technician to check it out. We're having the information stickers on the side for the units. They have model numbers and the power usage and the temperature they can run from the 140 degree to the 500 Fahrenheit. And that's all information showing here. This will be the all information about our products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.